Hey Udaan learners, welcome back to Udaan Analytics, where AI meets action. Today, we are finally getting our hands dirty with the data. Here is a quick brain teaser for you guys. How can a customer's birthday help boost your company sales? Sounds odd, right? But when you bring in powerful tools like Power BI, you will see exactly how even the tiniest data point make big decisions. Uh, so in this lecture, we will be covering all these important topics. Let's get started with the first topic, understanding get data in Power BI. Power BI is not just a charting tool. It is your data's home. And the get data button is the door to that home. You can connect everything from Excel to cloud database to even live web APIs. But today, let's start with something real and relatable. Our dataset is full of retail sales data. You will see columns like customer name, date of birth, sales, segment, region, product details, shipping info, and more. It is basically a snapshot of how retail works and how we can analyze it. So let's move forward and bring the file into Power BI. So this is the get data function where you can connect various sources, Excel, Power BI, data flows, SQL servers, text, CSV. So we have a CSV file. So and you can find that CSV file in the description below. Download it and follow along. So so here is the file and I will click on it. So it is connecting to my CSV server and it will load the file. First, it will show a preview of that file. So here is a preview of that file. We have got customer ID, customer name, then we have date of birth of that customer, and uh, we have order ID, also the ship modes and the product ID, what all products the customer had buy, and the most important thing, the discount and the profit. So I will select the main table and hit the load button. And now we have imported real usable business data. So as you can see here, we have loaded the data and now look at this. The data view is also called as table view, and the data view shows all your raw data like a spreadsheet. Let's analyze a few columns here. The columns we will be going to use: order ID and order date. So it will tell uh, when sales were placed. We have ship date, useful for our delivery analysis. We have customer ID and customer name. For loyalty segmentation, we have uh, product ID and subcategory that helps us in the performance. Then we have a region, country, segment. This will help us to compare sales across India. And my favorite, sales discount and profit. Here it is. Here we have discount and profit and sales. I think it is in the beginning. Yeah, we have that column sales. That's where the money is. So a quick challenge for you. Based on just this table, which region do you think earns the most profit? Type your guess below in the comments and we will reveal it with a visual soon. Now, before we start analyzing, let me give you a quick tour of Power BI desktop. So, in this Power BI desktop, we have majorly three views. First one is report view. This is where you will design your dashboards. It is just like Canva for the data. Then we have data view or table view, where we are seeing now your spreadsheet like base to review your data. Then we have model view. It will be coming later. This is where your tables start talking to each other, or basically how your tables will be connected to another table. All these join and all the operations will be performed here. On the on the right side, as you can see that we have data, we have model, and like when I go to report view, I have visualization pane where I can build any visualization. Then we have filters. I can filter out on any kind of data. And we have certain more, if you want more visuals other than these visuals, then you can download it from internet. We have transfer data functions that we will be exploring later on. Now that you know that layout, let's make something fun. So let's build our very first chart, and our goal is which region gives the highest profit. So we will be creating a line chart for that, and since we need to, so our goal is which region gives the highest profit. So we need to build this line chart on reason and profit. And let's first use the reason here. Here it is. I'm dragging the reason to x-axis. Now we have the reason. Now let me go to the profit, and I will be dragging profit to y-axis. So here I have the chart, and as you can see here, the east has the profit of 95 million, the south has a profit of 94 million, then north 93, and west 93 million. Did you guess it right earlier? Let me know in the comments. And this right here is just a taste of what Power BI can show you. Getting your data in is not just step one, it's step everything. Bad data, wrong insight. Clean import equals to powerful visuals. That's why Microsoft own learning path starts with get, clean, and transform data. And guess what? In the next video, we will be actually clean this data, fix weird ship dates, format columns, and even calculate age from date of birth. So here what I want you to do now, import this data set in your own Power BI, build a small chart like we did, explore which category or which city types unknowns, and comment your findings below. Next video, we will start cleaning this data, preparing it for modeling and dashboarding. Until then, like this video if you learned something today, and subscribe so you don't miss what coming next. I am Akash and this is Udaan Analytics. Keep flying high. Thank you.